This video about Manitoba PNP invites 438 immigration candidates. Recently, Manitoba has now issued 10,437 invitations so far in 2021, and Manitoba held a new immigration draw on December 2. The Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, MPNP, invited a total of 438 immigration candidates across 3 Provincial Nominee Programs PNPs, skilled workers in Manitoba, 358 invitations with a minimum EOI score of 449, skilled workers overseas, 51 invitations with a minimum EOI score of 726, and international education stream, 29 invitations with no EOI score requirement. Among these invitations, 71 were issued to candidates in the Express Entry system. Now, let's talk about Express Entry. Express Entry is Canada's application management system for 3 federal high-skilled immigration programs: the Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and the Federal Skilled Trades Program. Immigration candidates who submit a profile to the Express Entry system are ranked based on the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS). Points are awarded for factors like age, work experience, education, and language skills among others. The highest-scoring candidates receive invitations to apply for permanent residence through regular Express Entry draws. It is possible to skip the PNP process and receive a permanent residence invitation by directly applying through Express Entry. However, a provincial nomination means an automatic 600 course points, which effectively guarantees candidates will receive an invitation to apply ITA in a subsequent Express Entry draw. Now, let's talk about Manitoba immigration programs. Manitoba manages its immigration programs through the MPNP, which supports immigration applications to the federal government. Canadian provinces do not have the ability to give out permanent residency status, but they can help an application along by issuing provincial nominations. If you want to benefit from a nomination from Manitoba, you need to register an expression of interest with the MPNP. This puts you in a position to receive an LAA through the Skilled Workers in Manitoba and Skilled Workers Overseas streams. Manitoba then ranks candidates out of 1,000 points for their human capital factors, as well as their connections to the province. The Skilled Workers Overseas category and Skilled Workers in Manitoba categories are designed to allow the province to identify candidates who meet its labor market needs. Candidates overseas need to demonstrate connections to Manitoba through the likes of close family ties, previous experience in the province, or an invitation through one of Manitoba's strategic recruitment initiatives. You do not need to be living in Manitoba at the time of your application to be eligible. In order to receive an invitation under the Skilled Workers in Manitoba category, you need to have a full-time job offer from a provincial employer. International graduates who complete their education in Manitoba can receive an invitation under the International Education stream if they can demonstrate that they have in-demand skills. In the end, I would like to request you please subscribe to Canadian Jobs Explore YouTube channel with bell icons. Thank you for watching video. See you in next video.